Hey, what's up guys? Today we have for the review Asus VivoBook 14 X403, which is an budget laptop with powerful specification and great looks. So this laptop will cost you around 50,000 in India and $600 to $700 in the international market. So before we jump into the review, let us look at the specification of this laptop which Asus has sent us. This laptop is powered by 8th generation Core i5 processor and it has got a display of 14 inch which is a full HD display. It has got a graphics which is inbuilt graphics of Intel HD Graphics 620 and RAM is of 8GB LPDDR3 and it has got a storage of 512GB SSD. This is an major upgrade. So this is what we need in a budget laptop. 512GB of SSD is a great addition. So we have got all the necessary ports and the battery is 72 watt hour. That is also great. Will give you up to 3 to 6 hours of battery life depend on your usage while you're gaming or for normal usage. Design and build. The VivoBook 14 X403 is a thin and light laptop aimed at productivity-oriented workflows and it looks perfect for that. It has a sleek design that looks great and it comes in this silver blue color which just looks silver to me and which is a classic color for these types of laptop. Coming to its build quality, at this price point, it is one of the sturdiest I have ever experienced. So this is the best build quality at this price point. And Asus also claims that this laptop comes with military grade durability and reliability standards. VivoBook 14 comes with a signature VivoBook thin bezels that look stunning and result in this laptop being a lot smaller than you would have expected in a 14-inch display to be. The VivoBook 14 basically gets the design and build perfectly right. I honestly didn't find any kind of the mistake that they have done in this laptop. This is a perfect build that Asus can provide at the price point it is coming with. Display. VivoBook 14 X403 comes with a 14-inch Full HD display which I really liked in my usage of the laptop. 14-inch looks like just the perfect screen size to me for the kind of work I do on daily basis. It's not the brightest by far, but it's not so dim that you wouldn't like using it. Plus, it has a matte finish which I suspect makes the brightness little worse. So only thing I disliked here the matte finish of the screen which makes the colors dim so that you cannot enjoy the punchy colors in this display. Performance. The VivoBook 14 X403 comes with the 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD. That translates to great performance that doesn't let you down. Sure, the 8th generation processor is a weird choice from Asus, but in practice it wouldn't make the kind of difference that would push this laptop to the bottom of the barrel. Especially for the kind of workflow this laptop is meant to be used in. In my usage of VivoBook 14, I didn't experience any lags or freezes or any kind of disturbance in the usage of this laptop. You can comfortably use this laptop for video editing and any kind of documentation work. But for gaming you can play light games, but as it doesn't come with the strong hardware, you cannot play the heavy games or you cannot enjoy playing the heavy games. Otherwise, for daily usage, the performance of this laptop is just great. The keyboard on this laptop is very good. It is a backlit keyboard with a standard white LED backlit that's bright enough and bleeds out from under the keys. But that's not really annoying. Using the keyboard is fun. The keys have an ample travel and the response is little bouncy, but not so much as to fatigue your fingers, just enough to make typing feels like playing a game. I am disappointed with the touchpad because while using it, it makes and sounds which is just annoying. It makes annoying sounds while using it, and adding to that the fact that there is a fingerprint scanner on top right corner of the touchpad, that is the placement of this fingerprint scanner is wrong because it makes you uncomfortable while using the touchpad. The fingerprint scanner though, that's amazing. It's a perfect size, not too small or not too big, and it is ridiculously fast. For a thin laptop, Asus sure packed in quite a lot of ports on this thing. There is a USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-3 ports, a SD card reader and a headphone mic combo port. That's not too many ports, but it's more than enough for what you will be doing on this laptop. Battery. I don't know how Asus did this, but it managed to put in a massive 72 watt-hour battery inside the sleek tiny chassis of the VivoBook 14, and that big battery brings a great battery life, and it will give you almost 9 to 12 hours of battery life in a light usage, and if you play heavy games or watch movies, it can last up to 6 to 7 hours on an average. So finally, coming to pros and cons. Pros of this laptop are it has got amazing battery life, great performance, and addition of fingerprint scanner and USB Type-C port is a good thing in this laptop. Coming to the cons or disappointments, the muted color on the display are a tad annoying. The display is not so impressive for the price it is coming with. You are spending 50,000 of Indian rupees or 600 to $700. The display is not so impressive, and the annoying touchpad that makes sounds which really annoys. So this is a disappointment in this laptop. So finally, to conclude with, this is the best laptop, this is the best budget laptop that you can buy for 50,000 Indian rupees or $600. Offers you great hardware, great build quality, and amazing experience. Everything in this laptop are up to the mark and up to the expectations, but the only disappointment is with the matte finish of the display and touchpad. Otherwise, this is a great value for money laptop, and if you buy it, you really enjoy it. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.